my serger. And the reason why, because I want to assemble my side seam using my serger. And if you're familiar with this machine, with Babylock, Triumph, or Ovation, or Evolution, it's this machine 2-in-1. So it has overlock and it has cover hem. My machine settings is for cover hem, because I was sewing yesterday using the cover hem stitch. So, and I did it on purpose. I didn't change it behind the seam, behind the camera, because I wanted to show you how quickly it is to switch from cover hem to the regular serger. I'm going to do it in front of you. So to do so, you need to first replace the cover hem table onto the regular table, and it is really easy to do. Oops, sorry, this way. Okay, see, you need to just snap it. Now I want to replace my threads and needles. So to do so, I usually cut my threads over there, lift my presser foot up, and just pull my threads. I never pull it this way. I always pull it toward the direction when they usually go. Okay, so now I need to open my storage compartment, grab my screwdriver, and I want to replace my needles position, because I need to switch from cover hem into the overlock. I'm going to replace my C3 onto O2 or O1, it doesn't matter. Let me find these spots. Okay, found it. Okay, so I replaced it. Okay, I changed it from C3 onto O. So I'm going to have, I'm going to serge it with 4-thread overlock. And to do so, I need to have my lower looper, I need to have my upper looper, I need to have my O1 and O2. So that's why I like to put needle first. Actually, it does matter. You can replace your threads and then replace your needles, but I just decided to go this way. Okay, so my needle O1 and O2 already in place. Now, lower looper, okay, hook. Okay, I need to go over because I need to see what I'm doing. Click over here. Okay, I wanted to change to the threading, and I wanted to lock my cubes over there, because I'm going to activate my air threading system. I need to have enough. Oh, actually, before I do so, I need to put my looper in the other up position, and it's always good to do it before you switch to the threading options. So now, since my looper is up, I'm going to place 1 inch of my thread into the hole, like so, and then I need to press this button. Oh, I need to turn it on, obviously. Okay, there you go. Good. Okay, so here is my thread. I really like this machine because I need to fight the loopers. Okay, the lower upper looper right there. I need to go that in front of you in order to reach my loopers. Okay, there you go. Second one. I want to make sure I do have a sharp end enough silk. Okay, I do have like 14 inches of thread free. So now 1 inch over there, and once again I need just to push this button. Here you go. Can you see? It's already threaded into the looper. I don't need to put my glasses on and find the hole and follow the chart. What I need to do, I just need to push the button. It is really convenient. Okay, overlock needle 1. That comes out, and overlock needle 2. So I'm going to place them. Overlock needle 1 and overlock needle 1 and 2. Okay. So how about the needles? I'd like to thread my left needle first. So this way I won't get those threads over crossed. Sharp end, press and put down my tweezers. Okay, and I just need to put it through. Okay. There. Awesome. Always thread when you need to lift your presser foot up, because this way you release the tension at the tension plates. Why I place it down? Because I need to have more room over there between the end of the needle and my presser foot. That's why I put it down. You can obviously have it up if you want to. Once you thread it over there, you definitely need to have it up. You just have more room when I have it. Okay. Serging. I need to unlock my blade, so I wanted to have my blade working because I wanted to snip some. I wanted to cut a little bit of the edge. And my settings, it's on A. Actually, I may go up to the B, but we'll see how it goes. Most likely I'll have it on A. That's it. See how easy and fast it is? I love this machine. Okay, so now let's do it. So first I'm going to finish the edge of my pockets. Okay, let me grab my pedal. It's a little bit on the way. Good. Let's do it. Let's see how it works. Yes. Okay. So see, I did have my settings on A in the beginning, but I saw some of my loops were kind of hanging over the edge. So that's why I switched to my B position. I always kind of practice, you know, I do like first 1-2 inches and then I see if I need to do something. You need to be really careful when you do the curve. I mean, this fabric is it's acting kind of interesting on the curve, so that's why I decided to start with the pockets, so I can see what I need to do, what maybe I need to adjust something. Okay, so okay, my first pocket is finished. Okay, so I'm going to mark another one. Then I will move to my side seams. I didn't get it. Okay, side seam. So this is my front with the pocket. This is my back. And remember, I talked about notches when I was cutting my pants. So if you follow my suggestion, my steps, my strategy, you will have the same. You will have notches over there. Why we need them? Because we want to have the same length from the top of our pants up to the bottom. So I line up, so I found 2 my notches, I line them up, and I'm going to place my clip over there. So, and see, I'm not going to baste or even hand stitch it. I'm kind of sure about the volume of this pants. I already done my sample. I like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have this clip on, and I'm going to align my top of my front with the top of my back, and I'm just going to simply connect them. What I need to pay attention to, try not to stretch any layers, not the top, not the bottom. So try to not to pull and not to push. Not to pull and not to push your fabric under the pressing foot. So it's actually supposed to go really smoothly by itself. Okay, I'm coming to the thickness of my pocket. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. So I slow down the speed and I lightly guide it. See, I let my knife to cut the thickness. And just keep going. Let's see how it works. I want to make sure that everything, yeah, it looks good. See, I don't see any stitches when I pull my layers. And here is my notch, still there. And my job is just to line up. There you go. Here's my notch, and everything is perfect. So I'm going to take off. Looks good. Okay. And how about my pocket? Yeah, everything's good. So let's do the second one. Okay, I search to my side seams and I already press it. So as you can see, it lays flat and nicely. Okay, now I'm ready to connect my crotch line, my back side. So this is my back and this is my second back. So what I need to do, I need to align the edges, and I'm not going to baste. Again, I'm just going to lay them flat, connect the edges. I might place one clip right in the middle, just in case. And now let's serge it. Okay, so now my pants are connected. So I have a circle. Okay, so I haven't finished my inseam, so as you can see, let me place it over there. So that will be my next step. My next step will be my inseam, and how I like to do so, I like to line up over there, and I will go and baste it with my sewing machine, because I really need to match these two seams. Okay, so let me do it and I'll come back. Okay, so I basted my crotch line seam with the regular sewing machine, and if I flip it over, see, and match my seams, and now I'm going to stitch my inseam. So I do have two notches over there. Remember, we placed them when we cut our pants, and what I need to do, I need to line up these notches as well. And as you can see, my stitch line should be there, so I need to skim the seam allowance distance. I don't need that far, and I need that big seam allowance, so I basically need to, my chalk line is my guideline for stitching. I line up the notches. This is really crucial. Need that. Let's double check our seams. Perfect. See? It looks just great. Okay, so now I'm going to go and press it toward the one side. I think I will press it toward the back side. Okay, and I will move to my waistline band, my waistband. Okay. Let's do it.